Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teruna Classic LUNC coins. Now remember, this coin, a lot of people believe this coin can hit 1 penny. Now let's talk about what will be the worth of 5 million coins of LUNC if you decide to buy this coin now. How much you need and how much can this coin return to you? Because definitely we have about 80 or 90% sure that this coin, with the way the crypto industry is now recovering, based on last year, it was a bearish year. This year, BTC is already hitting about $25,000 already. This coin is a possibility that Teruna Classic will be hitting 1 penny, 1 cent. Now, if you need Teruna Classic and you need to buy Teruna Classic right now, it would be good. Teruna Classic should be one of the coins should be added on the list of the coins you have. But remember, 5 million is just based on the video. That means you can buy 1 million, you can buy 100,000, you can buy 10,000. Just remember to buy what you can afford to lose. That is the golden rule here. Now, at the time of recording this, you need about $695 in order to buy 5 million tokens of Teruna Classic. Now, currently this coin is trading at 0.000139 and you need $695 to buy 5 million. Now, if this coin hit at 1 cent, that simply means your money will be valued at $70,000. That's about 69,000, actually 800 plus. So let's assume $70,000 buying 5 million coins at the rate of $695. That simply means this is a huge return on investment. Okay, now I believe this coin have a great future with the support that I've been getting. Remember, Binance founder CZ is fully supporting Teruna Classic coin. Not just that, he just listed it on their Binance, but they owns this coin. They owns a lot of Teruna Classic coins too. So I believe that if you are the type that buy coins or you install coins, Teruna Classic should be one of the coins you need to buy, okay? Because in future, don't be surprised to see Teruna Classic at $1. This coin is going to bounce back. Now with 5 million coins of Teruna Classic, which you can buy at the rate of $695, this coin can return over $60,000. Remember, this can happen this year, 2023. It can happen next year, 2024. Now, Teruna Classic have a great plan. Remember, they are 1.2% tax bond, which they actually added. Remember, the 1.2% tax bond can destroy a lot of coins, and we believe that with the way things are going for Teruna Classic, with the support the masses have been giving Teruna Classic, all from different parts of the world, from different continents, this coin is said to go to the moon. Now, Teruna Classic, I believe that with the support that we're getting from Binance founder CZ, and we are also hoping for other exchanges to give the same support. We're hoping for other exchanges to show same support for Teruna Classic. This coin is definitely going to rise. Now, to me, buying even just 100,000 coins is still worth it. Teruna Classic right now still trade with about 3 zeros, which means if you are investing a little capital on Teruna Classic, you might be buying almost 100,000 coins at the rate of $13.50 cent $13.50. So you see, you might buy about 100,000. This is 1 million will be at the rate of $130. In about $130 or $135 in order to buy 1 million coins of Teruna Classic LUNC. And if this happens, that Teruna Classic is able to hit 1 cent, your money will be worth a lot of money. Now, it simply means you'll be having over over $12,000 or $11,000 worth of Teruna Classic with an investment of about $135 at the time of recording this. You'll be making almost $11,000 or $12,000, and if you have 5 million, you'll be making almost $70,000. This is a great return on investment. Okay, now I believe that we are hoping to see more changes come this year. We're hoping to see Teruna Classic keep rising. We're hoping to see more buyers, more traders trading Teruna Classic, and most importantly, more burn. I want to see this coin keep burning, keep destroying a lot of coins. Now, Teruna Classic, to me, I believe that this coin before the end of 2025, Teruna Classic will be creating millionaires. You can see investors coming in from different parts of the world. Even some crypto exchange have also invested so heavily on Teruna Classic. For example, remember that Kucoin, as of a few days ago, Kucoin staked about 47 billion coins of LUNC. They staked 47 billions. When I saw this news, this was amazing to see an exchanger staking 47 billion coins. Right now, 5 million coins is worth about $695. So by the time you start talking about 100 million, start talking about 1 billion, then 47 billion, you discover this is a lot of money.